Ah, it looks like it.
Depends on where you look at it.
Yeah, I see it now. But yeah,
It looks completely flat.
yeah,
But if you saw it from the other side, it's
Yeah.
just a little piece which is flat.
I get it now. Yeah, that
And
is
down
the
below,
one.
when you look up, you'll have the other perspective as well. Se me pasó hasta detrás. Se me. Para atrás.
De lejos, creo que lo cogió un coche cuando venía bajando por la vía que era una sola y muy lejos. Ahora no lo veo.
No hay que ir allá. Además, se ha dado la vuelta en Río. Hay que parar
That one there.
Perfecto.
Are we near Costa Deck? Are we close? Where are we now? What area?
Not that far now.
What area? Decade? This is it.
Yeah, this is a posh
the
spot.
town, I think.
Yeah. I thought it looked familiar.
Yeah, the town and then Costa
That one
Rica,
over
which is
there.
the coast.
Yeah. I was here 3 weeks
And that
ago,
one.
and I stayed at Panoramica Heights up here. It was lovely.
That's just that over there, Panoramica Heights.
Yeah.
Good view from the top, huh?
Beautiful, yeah. And then I went home for 2 weeks, and then I came back here again.
Good. Way to do it.
Yeah. And then I'm back in November.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. You come often.
It was my first time
All right.
a couple of weeks ago. Me and my partner and the children, and then we went home, and then I came back with my mum and my grandmother.
All right. Oh, great.
And then in November, it'd be me and my partner with no children.
Yeah.
And
I've been here quite a lot.
Yeah.
I spent a lot of time here in lockdown. So I ended up living here for a while.
All right.
What is it? Your people? No, is it? Aki. Your people Aki.
Evil.
Yeah, is it? I lived here.
I live in. You live again.
Sorry, my ears have popped. That's that. Yeah, I lived in
Yeah. You live in.
Costa Rica. Where else did I stay? I stayed on the same road as Aqualand. That's why I know that mountain there. Because every morning when I woke up, I've stayed everywhere.
Did the government not marry it?
Pardon?
Did the government help you pay for that?
No, I paid.
Yeah.
Bueno, pues ya estamos ya regresando aquí a la costa.